can't take them people who want mark for English. No man, them can't stop it. Every time me talk them adamant for show up my talking habits. I graduate from Good Girl College one day and I get a certificate. Principal insists that who can't call it, no post to for it. All night me in a rehearsal, I practice oversight. I slow down my speech, round up my mouth like principal. And I say it, certificate. I turn up loud a gradation. I walk out and I just step it. When my name ball out, I go up there, yeah. I'm ready to accept it. I take my time so careful. I can't afford to flop it. I take in a deep breath. I come out. And all I hear was, certificate. Principally, I pop wide open like a MoMA challenge. You want to hear her? I've had it! Certificate or certificate, I just get fed up and grab it. Them say my behavior was inappropriate, so them held on to my transcript. Me have my certificate, so goodie, them can keep it. I say me ignorant for them up there, see man. And that was another instant. But ignorant mean lack of knowledge, so me if you say arrogant. And them arrogant! Full up of ego on themselves. Them a behave like them a elite, like them better than everybody else. Them aggravate me bad up there. Sometimes I step out of class. I'ma go to the gate and buy a swims when the swims man a pass. So them swims that taste good. Hey one girl. No, not swims. Shrimp. Lord G. No me pay for my own food. So why this girl come and correct me? My temper did a boil by now. My darkness just pitch come out. The girl come up in my face and as she makes for talk, I just fling the swims in her mouth. Since you just come mark me English, little wimp, enjoy the bag of shrimp. The girl run go report it. All police carry me in. Mr. Officer, me do wrong. Me can't prove it. A girl video it pan a flame. The police officer said no, me wrong. The word is film, not flame. I said true, me know so them shot the bus driver one day where me never just chuck him. Me explain to him a calamity with the hope that him could see. How everybody just come and mark me for English and I take disadvantage of me. He must say that the word is wrongly used. So me if he say advantage. You know, sister, this is a case of law abuse. Like him want to question my knowledge. I stand up in the station and I start to beat my head. The officer come question me if me have 40 leg. My head scratch me, officer! Him said that's also wrong. So my ear can't scratch me cause my ear don't have on. Him say my ear have a itch which causing me to scratch. I tell him some in a perfect English tournament. So him for leave me out time match. Him fling me in a lock up. And him say me nah come out. Him say me don't have no manners. So instead of the grill, him put a padlock on my mouth.
Follow me on Facebook, Instagram and YouTube at Zandrama.